Hey guys, welcome to Manchester. I've checked into the most beautiful suite at Hotel Gotham. It is enormous. It's so big in here. It's got its own roll top bath. Definitely eating the strawberries off of that plate that were coated in chocolate. Ooh, for me. That was concierge checking that Alex was my husband and not some crazy weirdo. Need to go get those guys. Oh, this is so annoying me. I'm just trying to like hoist my trousers higher and that keeps on happening. But I'm just going for a bit of a neutral vibe today. So I'm in Manchester with Dyson for the start of their styling tour. For clarity, I am a Dyson ambassador. This isn't a paid vlog with Dyson, but I just happen to be here right now with the vlog going on. Yeah, start the Dyson styling tour. They're going to 8 different locations in the UK. They started with Manchester, and tonight Larry's going to do a bit of a show and tell of how to use the Air app and the Corral on my hair. So that's why we're here. Found it! It's literally right next to Australasia. The best restaurant. Boo Boo's here again. He's on bow duty. This is going to be our stage here, where Larry can do my hair. Look, all these little styling things with the Supersonic, the Air app.
Out the blue. So this is this is front row.
Okay, so you can come along to the Dyson Styling Tour. You get a 30-minute free styling appointment, which is amazing. You get to play with all the different tools, you know, get technical advice, even get like hair diagnostic advice. So it's amazing. So it starts off in Manchester, so it's probably here for the next few days, and then it'll start moving to 8 different locations. But it's really exciting to kind of kick this off, me and Larry. So Larry's gonna get my hair prepped now to start our chats.
We're going to do like 75% of it, maybe 70.
Top it up on stage.
Yeah, then we're gonna leave one side undone.
Oh, all right, okay.
No, we are going to finish. Yeah, we'll finish the rest of it on stage, and then we're going to swap it up and give it like a bit of a messy look. So we'll do 2 looks on stage.
Great.
I think. Little UK tour. This is the first destination. We're doing 7 more of these around the UK. Levitates it to be this game changer. First off, you obviously get the gentle dryer, which is kind of like a gentle, soft, rough drying attachment.
Was that good?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Good.
I mean, Larry led the show, so I just sat there.
That looks great.
Looks great, doesn't it? I need to do that more, do the Corral over the top of the Air app. Looks so good. Love it. Looks so good, Larry.
Good theme, mate.
Birthday weekend is starting. Technically my birthday is actually on Tuesday the 18th, but today is the 16th. Alex is throwing me a birthday party and he's just shown me my present and the party situation, and oh my gosh, it's absolutely blown me away. I'm a bit emotional about it. Apart from my hen do, which obviously Rebecca put so much time and effort into and made it so special. Apart from then, which was my 30th, I've never really had a birthday party like this. And the fact that it's in our new garden, our new home, it's really, really exciting. Now the outfit I've deliberated over constantly. I was going to wear this that I found, this beautiful pink velour dress. It's so pretty. It really is something special. I couldn't imagine myself wearing this again after my birthday. And with the price tag that it is, I thought I have to absolutely love this if I'm going to keep it. And as much as I love it, yeah, I just don't know how much I would wear it after this occasion. So due to that, I had a look in my wardrobe and I was like, right, what have I not worn in a while and what do I love? And that's where I came up with this little Alice McCall Playsuit that I've had in my closet now for a good probably 4 years. And then before I put them on, my birthday shoes that I've been wanting to wear for today. And obviously because this is a white playsuit, it all goes so perfectly together, that pop of orange. So it turns out that this is my birthday outfit. I just feel so pretty in this. It might get a little hot so I can just put up the sleeves, but everything else is fairly small. And it's just beautiful. And then with the heels, birthday fragrance, I'm going with my #1 Rouge Malachite from Armani. I'm gonna put on a couple more pieces. I'm wearing my Edge of Ember Athenae necklace with the Athenae ring. This is one of the rings from our Cosmos collection, which was our first collection. I'm just gonna add the beautiful Athenae droplet hoops as well. Definitely needs a hoop. It's so beautiful. And then on my lips, before I forget, on my lips, I'm wearing Carolina Herrera in 742. Beautiful pinky nude. The centre is my favourite Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW, just to line up in the centre. So it's almost the time where everyone's going to be here really soon. I've just air wrapped my hair. That's kind of all of the prep really for today. But I'm going to try and show you little bits of the party. I'm going to show what Alex has done outside as well. But yeah, just so excited about today. Okay guys, let me show you what Alex has done because it's absolutely amazing. So he surprised me with all of this decorating. He's got all of these balloons and blown them up himself with helium. Let's just say that this is my birthday present. Unbelievable. And then he got huge balloons for me. I've never had big number balloons. This balloon is amazing. He's got the parasol out and the chairs. He's got the paddling pool so we can all dip our feet in this. Oh, he's just gone to so much trouble. This is amazing. I just had no idea he was planning all of this. Genuinely, I've just never had a birthday party that's been planned like this, so this is really, really special. And then he's got the egg all cleared out, ready to cook. He's got the Della Vita ready to do little pizzas for everybody. Just look how gorgeous. I'll definitely do an unboxing of this. Then we've got all of the drinks out in case anyone wants something different. And this, honestly guys, if you've not tried this, it's some of the best gin. It's blood orange flavour, so you can imagine how delicious it tastes. Just a little bit of tonic and you're good to go with this. It is absolutely amazing. Can't wait to get stuck into these. Then Alex has nibbles and things. But then in the fridge, don't mind if this fridge is a little bit messy right now, he's baked me my favourite rainbow cake. He's bought everything in from veggie burgers to normal burgers and all the trimmings. And then in here, this is absolutely amazing. I had no idea he was doing this. So Bite Around the World is a brand that years ago when we first moved here, we had a few people over and I got Bite Around the World to cater it. Well, Alex has ordered in again and got us 2 different platters. One is like a crudités platter, I'll show you in a minute, and one is a cheese platter. So we've got those and the burgers on the barbecue and the cake. Oh, I am just overwhelmed. I can't believe it. I had no idea how much he put into this. So I'm just feeling so grateful and so lucky right now. Okay. The bush. Matt and Ryan. Hi Ryan.
Oh, you got context for this.
My birthday present, guys. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I am mid drinks. I've had about 4 drinks. I'm not even gonna lie to you at this point. Everyone, all the men around the barbecue, it's very manly, and then all of us women are just having chats about life, just life in general, really. It's just so much fun. I don't know why, but my heels are literally just here. The heels were abandoned a long time ago, actually. That's not very good of me, is it? But, oh, look at my girls. Look at you two. Beautiful.
Content, right?
Hey, mate.
This is stunning. Get me out of here.
The princess is in her paddling pool. This is living.
the guy.
Isn't that the guy there? Oh, yeah, there is. Oh my god.
Oh, the balloons.
I think they go to Wales now because they don't.
Oh, Vic, your garden. Look at this. Victoria is about to show us her birthday present from Alex.
You wanted to get tangled in that balloon then.
The birthday girl, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, now it's spinning.
Happy birthday to you. Happy to you. Happy birthday, dear Inthefrow. Happy birthday to you.
I can't believe it! It's my birthday!
Make a wish. I don't think we can that one out, babe. It does what it wants to do.
Is it meant to blow out?
Oh god, no. Corset
Strong's gonna go alive.
Have you made a wish?
Oh wait, I need to make a wish.
What's going on in here? It sounds fun. Oh, what are you doing?
We're filling the donuts, babe.
The donuts. Wow.
Jam filler.
I know, but why is there jam
Everyone's got
everywhere?
the knees, I can squirt this in their mouths. Are you blowing out my phone, baby?